So I seen this thing on Facebook where you mix the baby food and the water and you make freeze pops for the babies. So I'm about to make her some. I got these from Dollar General. I think it was like a dollar, $2, something like that. So I'm gonna make her some freeze pop because it's been extremely hot and I don't want to give her nothing that I'm eating. So I'm just gonna make her some freeze pops. Hopefully she likes them. So these are all the things you will need, and this is Gerber baby food, apple, banana, and oatmeal. Gonna see if she likes these. So I guess I'll show you guys the process of making them. So you just add some water. Add the baby food. This is actually a smart idea, like for real. This is a smart idea. Hopefully she likes it, and you just mix the water and the baby food. Mix, mix, mix. Then you put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. So it's done. Let's see how she likes it. This is how it's supposed to look. It looks good. Let's see if she likes it. Is it good? It's good. It's good. almost time for you to stop. Is it good? You like it? You like it? So as you can see, guys, she liked it. It was a hit. So I recommend if your baby is teething, if it's hot, or just to introduce your baby to baby food, I suggest making these. They're easy, they're fun, and it's really a quick way to, give your baby something cool to cool off with. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.